More than 2 decades ago, BWT Pearlwater became the #1 choice for millions of people around the globe. A source for silky-soft water enjoyment with manyfold benefits in their homes. Pure motivation for us to set the next revolutionary step and push boundaries again towards a sustainable future, redefining the quality and use of local water in buildings worldwide. Welcome to a new era of water treatment. One Pipe Power Pearlwater brings together what belongs together: softest water and tastiest mineralized water in only one pipe, without any compromise. The world's first tasty soft water, no matter where, in private homes, apartment buildings, hotels, offices, and many more. Benefit from softest Pearlwater with the BWT Pearlamax Deluxe, with proven ion exchange technology since 20 years, brought to perfection for smooth skin, shiny hair, and the softest clothes, for shiny surfaces and limescale-free shower cabins, crystal clear glasses, protection of pipes and household appliances. Our Pearlwater hero and real game changer, the BWT Mineralizer kitchen set, turns softest Pearlwater into tastiest mineralized drinking water. Inspired by nature, enriched with valuable minerals like magnesium, silicate, and calcium. Microplastic free and easy to install beneath each and every kitchen tap. Perfect sustainable alternative to bottled water. The BWT One Pipe Power Pearlwater is the revolution in the sanitary water treatment industry. For you and Planet Blue.